Looking for good information about email marketing? See the video below. If you're an internet business owner, you probably jump at any chance you get to attract more customers for low investments. If this is the case, email marketing is exactly what you need. This video will show you how to utilize this incredible marketing opportunity to get more customers without breaking the bank. Always get permission. Unsolicited email is not welcome, and in certain cases, can get your ISP blocked. When contacting someone, always include a newsletter or an offer, this way the customer has the chance to agree to receive your messages. The last thing you want is to be branded a spammer. Know who your audience is. Why would your readers want to sign up for your email list? Once you have the answer, use it to your advantage. By including a subscription link within your emails, your recipients can easily offer it to others they know will sign up. This is a straightforward, ground-up approach to growth. Before you put someone on your email marketing list, you need to have their permission. If you don't have their permission, you will be responsible for sending spam and there will be many complaints. Your email provider may even dissolve your account if they get wind of what you're doing. Prevent that from happening by requesting that people subscribe to your list. When developing your email, consider how large the preview pane is in most email watching software. If your email is well beyond the size of this preview pane, it is wise to edit it immediately. Many people read their emails solely in this preview pane. Information that is outside of the scope of the pane may never be seen at all by your reader. To use email marketing to build confidence in your company and products, avoid turning your emails into gimmicks. Don't tarnish the professionalism of your image by using irritating tactics like writing all in caps or incorporating symbols like $signs. Most importantly, never talk down to your customers or make grossly exaggerated promises about your products. You must be persistent with your email marketing strategy. While you need to be persistent, it must be with the right customers or else it is not going to make that much of a difference. If you're persistent with people that aren't interested, they will just get annoyed and that's a waste of time. As you can see, email marketing is something that every business should involve themselves in, given the fantastic results for such a low cost. The tips in this video should have given you a base point from which to grow a successful email marketing strategy that will work for your business. Good luck! Now that you got a clear knowledge about email marketing, are you ready to start? Please don't start without my full free training on email marketing. I will offer you a full $97 training for free just to make sure you succeed. Say thank you by subscribing to my channel and by liking this video. Click the link in the description to access my free full training on email marketing.